Want a camera that fits in your pocket but shoots like a DSLR? Today, we're diving into the top point-and-shoot cameras of 2025. Perfect for travel, vlogs, street photography, or just flexing your photography game. Alright, first up is the Fujifilm X100 VI. If you're all about street photography vibes or just snapping your daily adventures, this camera is a dream. It's got a retro look that screams style, an APS-C sensor for crisp, cinematic shots, and a fixed 23mm f2 lens that works in almost any lighting. What makes it super fun? Its hybrid viewfinder. You can switch between optical and digital, giving you that classic rangefinder feel but with modern tech. It's perfect for cafes, streets, or those spontaneous travel shots. Tiny, stylish, and insanely capable. Check the description for the link to grab yours. Next up, the Leica Q3. Okay, this one's for anyone who wants luxury in a pocket-sized package. It's a full-frame camera with that legendary Leica lens and build quality. Colors pop, details are razor-sharp, and low light, absolutely gorgeous. This camera is one of those buy it and forget it deals. No need to swap lenses. Just snap amazing photos anywhere. Whether you're capturing street life, portraits, or those breathtaking landscapes, this camera delivers pro-level shots and a compact body. Trust me, you feel like a pro just holding it. Check the description for the link to grab yours. Moving on, the Sony RX100 VII. This tiny beast is basically a Swiss Army knife for photographers. It's got a 1-inch stacked CMOS sensor, crazy fast autofocus, 24 to 200mm zoom, and 20 frames per second burst mode. Translation? You can capture action shots, travel moments, or casual vlogs without missing a beat. The flip-up screen is perfect for selfies or vlogging, and the image stabilization keeps everything buttery smooth. It's like having a mini DSLR in your pocket, but without the bulk. Seriously, this camera is a travel and adventure lover's dream. Check the description for the link to grab yours. For all the content creators and vloggers out there, meet the Sony ZV-1 II. Tiny, portable, and packed with features that make your life easy. Think background defocus, face priority autofocus, flip-out screen, and crisp 4K video with pro-level audio. Whether you're filming indoors, outdoors, or just casually talking to your camera, this thing nails it. Perfect for TikTok, YouTube, Instagram, basically your pocket-sized studio. If you're serious about vlogging but hate carrying bulky gear, this one's a no-brainer. Check the description for the link to grab yours. Last but not least, the Canon G7X. Select Mark III. If you've been around the vlogging scene, you know this camera is a legend. 1-inch sensor, fast lens, 4K video, and vertical video support make it perfect for modern content creators. It's super compact, shoots cinematic quality video, and the flip-up screen is perfect for selfies or live streaming. Want clean HDMI output for streaming? Check. Want smooth video for TikTok or YouTube? Check. Basically, it's a pocket-sized powerhouse that won't let you down. Check the description for the link to grab yours. So that's it. The best point-and-shoot cameras of 2025 that pack DSLR-level power into a tiny body. Which one fits your vibe? All links are in the description. Go check them out and start shooting like a pro.